And then that spot, that's who Houston's talking about.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
And right there. Those are the two. So what's up, guys? We are back with another video. Before we get started, go down there, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and like this video. Okay, so today is a special day because we have a few excitements.
We have a few excitements, yeah. I just got off work, literally about
half an hour ago.
Yeah, just got home from work, been out all day playing in this wonderful stuff because we're in Oklahoma and this just doesn't happen very often. At least not in southern Oklahoma. Does it, Bear? Huh, does it? Doesn't happen very often. So what happened today, Houston?
So y'all, if y'all live in Sulphur, y'all probably already know this, but we got snow!
Oh, look at all that. I just thought my camera was overexposed. It snowed.
Yeah.
Not a lot. It snowed, we probably got 2 inches, maybe 3 inches throughout the day. It's really not that cold though. It's only like 30, 31 degrees, something like that. But we definitely got a couple inches of snow. I'll show you on the hood of the car real quick. Sure.
Okay, come look at my snowman in the back of your tailgate truck.
So it snowed early this morning and it kind of melted off just a little bit, but as you might be able to see, it's starting to snow again.
Look at my snowman.
Why don't we put the tailgate down?
Okay.
That's an interesting snowman.
I knew you were going to say that.
That's an interesting snowman.
I know.
He's kind of one-sided. So, hey, did anything else happen today while I was gone at work?
Yes, well, I don't know. It could have been last night when we were asleep, or it could have been this morning. Spot had her babies.
What?
Yeah.
Who's Spot?
Well, my sister's goat, the spotted one.
Oh.
From Striped's mom.
So since the last, oh, I had a snowflake land right on my eyelash. Since the last goat birth video, we actually had another doe had kid, the big spotted doe that I showed in the video where she's like, "Bleh," and her tongue sticking out. Well, she had twins a couple days ago, so I was just gonna bring you guys down here and show you her babies, and Houston came running up to the house a while ago and said, we got baby goats, we got baby goats.
From Spot.
In the snowstorm. Hang on.
Oh, they didn't even get close.
Gotta unlock it.
Ooh, I see some babies under here.
Is there babies under there staying warm?
Yep.
Oh yeah, there's a couple under there, huh?
Yep. All of them are ear tag friends.
Everybody's doing good? Everybody's doing good? So this big doe right here is the one that had babies just a couple days ago.
And so did this one.
And then that spot, that's who Houston's talking about.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
And right there. Those are the two.
Well, that's cool. Let's see.
This one is tiny.
Sure is.
Is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know.
Is it a boy?
That's a girl.
Aww. Can we keep this little girl?
I don't know. We'll see. So she had, woo. That snow messes with my camera. So Spot there, I keep wanting to say striped. You got striped stuck in my head. Spot right there had this one and
that one under there.
This one that's hiding under the hay bale. Sometime today. This one's hiding under the hay bale. I can't get to it.
I can.
What do you got here? What are you? Are you a boy or a girl?
That's probably a boy.
Oh.
That's probably a boy, Dad. Move it, goat. And the goat knocked it down.
Alrighty, so this one's a boy, the one that was laying under the hay bale.
And this is the girl.
That one's a girl.
And this is one, might have been the smallest one.
Yeah, they're pretty small, but They're really cute babies, aren't they?
Yeah. I wouldn't think Spot would have 2. That's
Why?
the first time she's ever had babies, right?
No, I think she had babies last year. I'll have to look.
Yeah. I don't even think that one's dry.
Oh, yeah. Mom's doing a good job, aren't you?
Because that goes to that one.
Hey, you know what I just noticed? She's missing her ear tag. It's gone.
Oh, yeah.
Her ear tag's missing. So, I don't even know what number she is. I'll have to look it up in the book.
Oh, shoot.
It's not that big a deal. We'll just call her Spot, so it's not that big a deal anyways. We know her name.
Yeah? Okay.
All right, Mama, big girl. Where's your babies at?
Oh, I see some under here.
I bet the 2 new ones are under here. Move your hiney.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Well, all those have ear tags.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, close that one back down.
I can't really. They just moved it. Gotta get down.
Maybe they're under here. Oh,
Yep.
Yep, there they are.
Oh, these are so cute.
And these 2 are both boys, Houston. So
They
we
are?
had two bucks born right here.
Can we keep one of the little bucks for a little bit?
We'll see.
That one looks really cute right there. This one looks cute.
They don't want to get up, do they? I can't see. You're covering the camera. Oh, he's stretching. All right. You let it back down easy, okay? So, adding those 4 babies brings us up to 15 total. All of our does that have kidded so far have had twins, except for one. We only have one single. We've got 8 girls and 7 boys. So I think we're doing pretty dang good. We're still having more girls than boys, and that's what we want. We want girls.
Yeah. Because we want girls to have babies.
That's right. Oh.
What in the world?
Somebody got a hairball back there.
Can have her babies or what?
Hey, that's a boy. He's not gonna have babies.
Why haven't we hit him off?
Huh?
Why haven't we butchered him yet?
Well, we will this spring. He's just not big enough yet. This one here is sure disappointing me. She's not looking very pregnant. And the other day she was kind of mounting up on another one of the does, kind of like she was in heat. Kind of disappointing because look how pretty she is. She always throws the prettiest babies. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Watch out, Packers. You donkey poodles go get in your pen and I'll feed you in there. In just a second. Hey, you're totally blocking the camera. Go to your pen. Go, 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 go. Go, Dolly. Go. Move, Dolly. Move, Dolly.
Move, Dolly.
Go to your pen.
Go, Dolly. Go. Shoot. 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 Got one of them in. Come on. They're getting loose.
Hey, I haven't gone in there yet. You can't lock me out.
They can eat the snow.
It's big snowflakes coming down now, Houston.
Ah.
Look out, girls. Watch out, watch out. This bear. Huh? What's the matter, buddy? Oh, Bella, you're covered in snowflakes.
Look at my perfect snowball, guys. And I'm going to throw it at the camera.
Ah, you better not. So I've had a few people express some concerns about us having baby goats this time of year, and they said that they like to hold off and have their babies like April, May time frame, and that's just not been the best experience for us. This is about what works best on... Really? Quit. Don't do that. This is about what works best here on our farm, and for us, I found over the years when I try to have babies during the warmer months, and I don't give Bear enough attention, when I try to have babies during the warmer months, we struggle with more things like parasites and worms, and the flies are just terrible. We have a lot of flies and just insects and bugs and fleas and ticks. We've got a fight going on in the background. Isaac and Rufus haven't been fed yet. They're upset with each other apparently. Fellas, chill. I'll feed you in just a second, buddy.
Give us a second.
Hey, give me just a minute. So I'm not saying it works best for everybody to kid during the cooler months, but for us and the time of year that we try to sell our goats, varying on our local market and when prices are high, and kidding this time of year, it's just been perfect for us. And that's why we have the Kiko goats, is because they're super hardy. They do really, really well on their own. Excellent mothers, excellent ability to thrive. We have lost 0 babies this year. Several years ago, we used to raise boars and just different kinds of boar cross goats, and we had all kinds of problems with just being terrible mothers. We couldn't kid this time of year because the moms would just not get them clean. The babies would get cold and get sick, or if we had twins, a lot of times one of them would be born dead, or it just wouldn't thrive. They would die within the first week or so. And with Kikos, we have not had that problem at all.
Well, yeah. Last year, one of those white mamas had babies, and there was 4, and one of them died.
No. We had to take one off and bottle feed it because there was too many. Remember? We had all those babies born at once.
And one of those died.
And one of them is Lambert.
Yeah.
She didn't die. She was on a bottle. We raised her on a bottle.
Yeah, but one of the other babies to the white mama died.
Well, sometimes it happens.
Yep.
Sometimes you lose babies, but what I was trying to say is with these Kikos, I don't lose near as many. Put it that way. Okay. This year we haven't lost any.
Yeah.
And that's a 100% record right there.
Yeah.
Open the gate for me.
It's good. Can't really taste anything though. Give me that food. I'm gonna punch you. Boy. Two animals were going at me at the same time.
Buddy, you got a lot of pretty babies over there. You're doing a good job for us this year. I just hope they all grow horns like yours.
Yeah. Yeah.
Apparently Big Mac thinks the feed that's on the bottom tastes better than the feed that's on the top. So here lately I've been cross-posting a ton of our YouTube videos straight onto Facebook and just uploading them there, because we had several videos take off and get like 500,000, 750,000 views on Facebook. Our Facebook page, if you're not following us there, is growing really fast.
Quit.
Big Mac, hey buddy, don't dump your food out. So in doing so, Facebook brings in an entirely different audience, and here's my thoughts, and maybe I'm not correct in this, but here's what I think. YouTube, typically people that find our videos on YouTube are people that are either searching for this kind of lifestyle, living this kind of lifestyle, searching for our kind of videos, our style of content in like outdoor farm, hobby farm, small farm, growing your own food, homestead type stuff. Well, Facebook seems like it just blasts it out to the masses, and we picked up a ton of followers over there. Yep. But a lot of people there don't understand. They think that all of our animals are pets. So I just want to clarify.
Well, yes, most of our animals are pets.
Kind of. So the donkey poodles, or alpacas as some people call them, that's my wife's pets. They're just here because she wanted alpacas. We have goats
for
They're a
me and
farm
Dad.
animal, but they're a meat goat. They're Kiko meat goats.
They're for me and Dad because we wanted them the most.
Mom started us on the goats way before you were born. But then there's this guy. There's Big Mac. He is an Angus cross beef steer who cannot be bred because a steer means he's been castrated.
What's
which
castrated?
is what all happens to probably the vast majority of all male beef cows. There's very few that are left intact as bulls. But Big Mac is not a pet. Now, we do take good care of him. I know it's muddy and nasty. We do love on him. We named him. We pet him, and we're very kind and gentle to him.
No, we didn't name him. The people that had him named him.
Okay, well, he has a name. And he dumps his feet out in the mud, apparently. But Big Mac is 100% here for a purpose. Big Mac is now eating his feet off the ground for some goofy reason. I'm gonna have to go get some more feed probably. But he's a beef steer. He will go in our freezer.
Sometime.
We really don't have a lot of room in our freezer because of the last heifer we butchered. We still have a lot of. But we'll split Big Mac with several family members, and we'll fill most of our family's freezers with fresh homegrown beef that we know what was fed, we know how it was raised, we know how it was cared for. I would say it didn't stand in mud. He's standing in mud, but he has plenty of area to roam and not be in the mud. He's not raised in a feedlot. We know he wasn't treated bad. So yes, we do raise animals here for meat production for our family. And a lot of people seem to kind of have issues with that, especially I've noticed more on Facebook. I don't mind saying it in front of him. He's going to be butchered. He's going in the freezer. I know where my food came from, or I know where my food comes from. And some people were having some issues with that. They were kind of dogging us and said, my kids could never see the food that they eat. They could never see the animal that goes into their hamburger. But they still eat hamburgers. And he had a problem with, or some people had a problem with us raising animals for food.
Look at his tail.
And here's my theory on that. Not my theory, this comes from Uncle Ted, old Ted Nugent. Everybody calls him Uncle Ted. Okay? A gut pile is a gut pile. If you eat meat, if you eat a hamburger, if you eat a steak, somewhere along the lines there was a gut pile. So how is it any different that we raise the animals and the food that I feed my kids comes from a gut pile that we know about versus a gut pile that you may not know about? You don't know where your food comes from. If you buy meat in the grocery store, somewhere along the lines, it started off with a gut pile.
There's a snowflake on my eye. Lash.
Did you have one on your eyelash?
Yeah. We're trying to climb it.
So we got all the animals fed, chores are done, 4 new babies on the ground, and I didn't get it on video. I missed it because both days I was at work, and that's just how it goes. I really try to catch as many of those live goat births on video as much as I can because they're just so much fun to watch. Oh yeah. It's so cool, and I know not a lot of people get to experience that, and I want to share that with everybody because it's just a cool, awesome, neat thing to get to see and experience, and I love that my kids get to experience it. I love that I get to share it on camera with you guys. And yeah, so we're just about wrapped up with kidding season. Lots of babies on the ground. We're up to 15, so good year so far. Anything you want to say?
So guys, if you live in Oklahoma, you probably already know that it's snowing. And it's huge snowflakes. And Dutch, if you're watching this, we got more babies than you. Oh yeah. Well anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Oh, one more thing. It's snowing hard now. It's changed. One more thing. I almost ended this video and forgot something very important. So about a week ago, I told you guys we were going to be giving away that Olight Warrior X flashlight. If you went over and subscribed to Jack's channel at Grow Jack Outdoors, and I'm telling you what, you guys just blow me away. Jack's a young kid with just 4 or 5 videos, and you guys took him from about 200 subscribers to something like close to 5,000. Just blows my mind. So I promised you we would be giving away a Olight flashlight, and I went through, well, let me get back to where I was at on my phone. I just went through the comments and just picked a random comment, just reading through the comments. I didn't read them all, and I truly apologize, but there were over 4,000 comments on that one video. So I just scrolled, and then stopped and picked one, and the winner is Jason Claunch. Said, I love those lights. I need to remember to watch your channel more often. Hey Jason, get in contact with us, reach out to us, leave a comment on this video, message me on Facebook, Instagram, whatever you got to do, and we'll get you that flashlight, the Olight Warrior X. I want to say thanks to Olight for sponsoring that video. It's a $130 flashlight that we were giving away for free. So Jason Claunch, guys, let him know he's the winner. If he didn't watch this, he's going to miss out. So we'll try to get in contact with Jason. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great day. And as always, we'll see you on the next video.